Hi, I'm Jeremy, and here's Bavian, here's Kush, and there in the blue hoodie, Puneeth. And today we're gonna shut up. And today we're gonna show you how to make grilled cheese.
First, you'll need some type of cheese. We're using American mozzarella. Then you'll need some butter, something to flip with, a knife and shredder, and you'll need some bread.
Next, turn on medium heat, then lightly butter a pan. After letting it sit, toast your bread. Do this twice. Should look like this.
Shred or cut some cheese and put it on the bread. Spread it evenly.
Next, butter up a pan and cook on medium-low heat for 5 to 7 minutes. Don't flip.
Your bread should look like this. It can get quite messy, so make sure to clean up after yourself. After another 4 minutes, flip again for the exquisite crust.
Take the pan off the heat, plate it, and most importantly,
Enjoy.